Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Theorem number 6.9. Statement: in a triangle, if a square of the one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. Given in the question, in a triangle ABC, if a square of the one side means either AC square. Square of the one side is AC square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. In a triangle ABC, square of the any one side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Other two side is AB and BC. AB square plus BC square. Sum of the square of the other two sides. Then the angle opposite to the first side. First side is AC. Angle opposite to the opposite angle of side AC, that is equal to B. What to prove? Angle B is a right angle. To prove angle B is a right angle, angle B is equal to 90 degree. In a triangle ABC, if the square of the one side is AC, the square of AC means AC square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Other two sides is AB and BC, and square AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. The two sum of the square of the other two sides. Then the angle opposite to the first side. First side is AC. Opposite angle is B. Then angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Construct the triangle. Construction. Another triangle DEF. Construct a triangle DEF. Another triangle DEF. To construct a triangle DEF, AB is similarly same as DE. AB and DE both are equal. AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. And angle E is equal to 90 degree. And angle E is equal to 90 degree. हमने ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्शन कर दिया. AB and DE both are equal. AB and DE both are equal. In triangle ABC, AB and DE both are equal. BC and EF both are equal. And angle E is equal to 90 degree. Angle E is equal to 90 degree. हमें ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्शन किया है कि इन ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle DEF, AB and DE both are equal. BC and EF both are equal, and angle E is equal to 90 degree. Okay, proof. Here, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Okay. So first we prove triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Then, if the triangle DEF is a right angle triangle, here in triangle DEF is a right angle triangle, triangle ABC. To prove triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, हमें पहले ये prove करना पड़ेगा. Then we find the angle E is equal to 90. Similarly, by CPCT angle B is equal to 90. How to prove triangle ABC similar triangle DEF? But we take triangle ABC, triangle DEF is equal to 90 degree. In triangle DEF, angle E is equal to 90 degree. In triangle DE, we take in triangle DEF, angle E is equal to 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square means DF square is equal to DE square plus EF square. DF square is equal to DE square plus EF square. By Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse means right angle के opposite side hypotenuse. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. DE square plus EF square. But what to do? DE square plus EF square. DE is equal to AB square. DE is equal to AB square. What about EF square? EF square is equal to BC square. Okay, then resulting value 1 from 1. Okay, but AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square is given in the question. That is equal to AC square. Why? Because AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, therefore DF square is equal to AC square. DF square is equal to AC square proof हो गया. Therefore DF and AC both are equal. Therefore DF is equal to AC. तो AB दोनों साइड क्या हो गई? इक्वल हो गई. AB साइड्स क्या हो गई? हमने इक्वल प्रूव कर दी. DF is equal to AC. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, तो हमें पहले प्रूव करना पड़ेगा बोथ ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. AB is equal to DE, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. हमने प्रूव कर दिया from resulting value 2 from 2. By which criteria both triangles are similar? By SSS criteria, sides. In a triangle ABC, 3 sides are equal to the corresponding another triangles. Okay, एक ट्राइंगल की जो साइड है 3 साइड्स दूसरे ट्राइंगल की 3 साइड से क्या है? इक्वल है. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF by SSS rule. SSS rule से दोनों ट्राइंगल क्या हो गए? सिमिलर हो गए. Therefore angles are equal. Angle E is equal to 90, then angle B is equal to 90. Angle E हमने 90 सपोज किया है. Okay, therefore angle B is equal to angle E is equal to 90 degree by CPST and hence proof. Therefore angle B is equal to 90 degree, hence proof. Hence proof हो जाए. Okay. So first we check here the 3 sides of the triangle. We take a triangle ABC. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 24 centimeter. जो हाइपोटेन्यूस होगा, जो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट साइड होगी वो हमारी हाइपोटेन्यूस होगी, इसकी ऑपोजिट साइड. अब हमें प्रूव करना है AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर है कि नहीं वो चेक करना है. ओके, तो AB इज इक्वल टू 24 सेंटीमीटर, BC इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड AC इज इक्वल टू 25 सेंटीमीटर. तो चेक कैसे करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट वी टेक AC, फाइंड AC स्क्वायर, हाइपोटेन्यूस. That is a hypotenuse H square. That is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. ये base है और ये perpendicular square है. तो base square plus perpendicular square that is equal to hypotenuse square होना चाहिए. तो AC square is equal to 25 square and 25 square is equal to 625. 1 to 30 के square prepare कर देना. AC square is equal to 625. Then find a AB square plus BC square, sum of two sides, sum of the squares of the other two sides. AB square plus BC square. What is AB square? AB square is 24 square. What is BC square? BC square is equal to 7 square. And 24 square is 576. 576 plus 49. And its addition is 625. And it is same to same as AC square. It is same as 625 किसका square है? AC square. That is equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. A converse of Pythagoras theorem का given statement है. Given है ना, in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Which angle is a right angle? B. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle, because AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. And write the hypotenuse. Therefore, the hypotenuse is AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, hypotenuse AC. Right angle के opposite side क्या होगी? Hypotenuse AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Second one, therefore second one, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So in triangle ABC, second one ABC, which is the longest side? Longest side is 8 centimeter. Suppose we take AC is equal to 8 centimeter, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So here in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 8 centimeter. It's given in the question. Okay, which is the longest side? Longest side is AC, and AC is equal to AC square is equal to 8 square. 8 square is equal to 64. That is your 64. Sum of the squares of the other two sides is AB square and BC square. So AB square plus BC square. AB square is equal to 3 square. BC square is equal to 6 square. 3 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 9 plus 36, and that is equal to 45. And 45 is not equal to 64. Both are not same. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is not equal to AC square, because 45 and 64 are not same. Okay, therefore, triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. Therefore, in triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. Not a right angle triangle. Okay. If the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, then find the hypotenuse. अगर ये right angle triangle है, तो in triangle ABC, let BC is equal to 50 centimeter, AB is equal to 80 centimeter, and AC is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to 50 centimeter, AB is equal to 80 centimeter, and AC is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, AC square is equal to 100 square. AC square is equal to 100 square, or 100 square, that is equal to 10,000. That is equal to 10,000. AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. What is AB square? AB square is equal to 80 square, and BC square is equal to 50 square. Okay, 80 square is equal to 6400. 8 का square 64, so 80 का square 6400. 5 square is 25, 50 square is 2500, and its addition is 8900. तो ए दोनों का स्क्वायर सेम नहीं हुआ, देयरफॉर ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर इज नॉट इक्वल टू ए सी स्क्वायर. बोथ आर नॉट सेम. Okay, both are not same. Therefore, in triangle ABC, therefore triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. Is not right angle triangle. ये right angle triangle नहीं हो सकता. Okay. Fourth one. What is the sides of the triangle ABC? बोलो, what is the sides of the ABC? 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. तो 13 longest side is AC. AC is equal to 13. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है वो AC लेना. ओके. और रिमेनिंग नंबर्स, छोटा नंबर है नीचे या ऊपर कोई भी साइड ले सकते हो. एनी साइड्स, एनी साइड्स, कोई भी साइड्स हम ले सकते हैं. ओके. लेट AB इज इक्वल टू, इन ट्राइंगल ABC, AB इज इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. AB और BC को हम इंटरचेंजिंग कर सकते हैं. AB और BC को इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं. 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड AC इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट we find the AC square. AC square. AC square is 13 square and 13 square is equal to 169. Okay. AB square plus BC square. Find the AB square plus BC square. AB square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 144 plus 25. That is equal to 169. And 169 that is equal to AC square हो गया. It is same as AC square. Okay, so AB square, therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, AC is the hypotenuse and its opposite angle is B. Therefore, angle B is a right angle. Therefore, in triangle ABC, which is a right angle? Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Is a right triangle. Right. क्या? हाँ, वो लिख सकते हो, लिखना हो तो. Yes, by right angle triangle. Okay, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle angle B is equal to 90. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, which is an hypotenuse side. AC, longest side is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AC is equal to 13 centimeter. AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, and we find out. Okay, चलो इतना कंप्लीट कर दो. Exercise 6.5 question number 2. In triangle PQR, right angle at P, angle P is a right angle triangle. And M is the point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. M is perpendicular to QR, means PM is perpendicular to QR. Both angles are a right angle. Angle PMQ and angle PMR is a right angle triangle. So that PM square is equal to QM square into MR square. PM square is equal to QM square into MR square. To prove, what to prove? PM square is equal to QM into MR. बोलो हाउ टू प्रूव. आगे हमने ऐसा एक थ्योरम देख लिया था 6.7 में, थर्ड रिजल्ट. तो हमें प्रूव करना है PM स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू QM into MR. प्रूफ. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक ए ट्राइंगल. We take a triangle PMQ and triangle PMR. Okay, which two triangles? Triangle PMQ and triangle PMR. So suppose we take that angle QPM is X. If the angle QPM is X, what about angle MPR? Bolo. What about angle? Which angle QPR in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90. Let angle QPM and PM is perpendicular to QR. PM is perpendicular to QR. Let angle QPM is equal to X. हमने कोई एंगल सपोज कर दिया. That angle is X. So sum of these two angle is equal to 90 degree. Angle QPR कितना है? 90 degree है. Okay. Angle QPR is 90 degree. So what about angle QPR is equal to angle QPM plus angle MPR. Angle QPM plus angle MPR is equal to 90. ये दोनों एंगल का सम 90 डिग्री होगा ना, फर्स्ट एंगल एंड सेकंड एंगल, ये दोनों का सम 90 डिग्री होगा. बट एंगल QPM हमने क्या सपोज किया है? X. दैट एंगल QPM इज X. व्हाट अबाउट एंगल MPR? 90 minus X. Therefore angle MPR is 90 minus X degree. अगर ये 90 minus X डिग्री हो गया, if in a triangle QPM one angle is 90 degree, therefore sum of other two angle, ये दोनों एंगल का सम कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री ही होता है. Okay, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. उसमें एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, तो ये दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 90 होगा. तो इसमें एक x है, तो दूसरा एंगल क्या होगा? 90 में से x सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा उतना. Therefore angle PQM is also 90 minus x. Okay, that is equal to angle PQM. Both angle is 90 minus x. Okay, क्योंकि ये 90 अब ये तीनों का सम कर दो. 90 प्लस 90 माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स, तो माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स दोनों चले जाएंगे, तो 90 प्लस 90 क्या हो जाएगा? ट्राइंगल का सम 180 हो जाएगा. ओके, ट्राइंगल का सम 180. Therefore एंड अगर ये 90 माइनस एक्स है, तो एंगल PRM क्या हो जाएगा? एंगल PRM भी कितना हो जाएगा? एक्स ही हो जाएगा. ए और ए एंगल दोनों इक्वल होंगे, और ये दोनों एंगल क्या होंगे? इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंड एंगल PRM इज इक्वल टू 90. यही मेन समझना है, इसमें यही मेन समझना है. अब ये दो ट्राइंगल ले लेंगे, एंगल PMQ एंड ट्राइंगल PMQ एंड ट्राइंगल PMR. In triangle PMQ and triangle PMR, both angles are angle PMQ is equal to angle PMR is equal to 90 degree, already given, is equal to, both are same, right angle. ये दोनों एंगल क्या है? इक्वल है, राइट एंगल है. ओके, and angle PQM is equal to angle MPR, both angle 90 minus x. Angle PQM is equal to angle MPR, both same angle, same angle. By which criteria both the triangles are similar? By which criteria? Triangle PQM similar triangle PMR, triangle PMQ, triangle PMQ, P is x, 90 or 90 minus x. Triangle PMQ, तो एंगल P is equal to x, फिर 90 और 90 minus x. That is same as angle RMP. Similar triangle RMP. By criteria, AA criteria. By AA rules. AA rules से दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए. x 90 or 90 minus x, x 90 90 minus x. Okay, therefore PM divided by Rn, corresponding ratio of their corresponding sides are in proportion. PM divided by Rm is equal to MQ divided by PM, otherwise QM. QM divided by PM. Okay, QM divided by PM by CPST. Corresponding parts of similar triangle. So PM by Rm is equal to QM by PM. Okay, so cross multiplication कर दो. PM square is equal to QM into Rm. Okay, Rm के RM है, MR both are same. QM into MR, hence proof. ये हमें प्रूव करना है। ओके, तो ये ट्राइंगल कौन सा लेना वही सबसे मेन है, ट्राइंगल पीएमक्यू और ट्राइंगल पीएमआर लेना है। ओके, बोले एनी डाउट इसमें किसी